Hey mamas, so currently I'm working. Let me show you the situation. Say hi to Jackie.
Hello.
My forever workmate. So right now we are going to right now we're going to set up my hands-free breast pump. As you should all know, me as a mom who is breastfeeding and working right now, medyo full load na yung boobsicles ko. So I'm gonna do a breast pump, and of course one of the perks about this breast pump, medyo maganda siya dahil I can just pump hands-free. So with that being said, just pretend that this thing here is your if may ka sa parang ano siya, parang gun siya na kailangan mo i-set up right. So yan yung gagawin natin ngayon. Second. There we go. So we have the main mechanic of the breast pump. This is like the the breast pump itself, and it has the caboodles here. So let's go. I have my hands clean, don't worry. So ito. First thing first, this goes here. Naano dito na guys, may kasi ako may parang UV light to chuchu. So may natin yan. Then this one goes here. Tapos, this is for my small boobies mamas like me. So, ito yung nagamit ko. So now, what we're going to do is, we are just make sure that ito, nakalign siya dito. There you go. I think we're good. I'm also putting up there. Then, just going to make sure that this here and this here is aligned. Another thing to look out, guys, something to look out for is this part here. Make sure naka-align dito. Usually, ano ko lang yan, okay, you're good. It's aligned. It's aligned here. Now, breast pump. Wait for, I don't think it. Do it like this first, then make sure. Am I good? That's not good. Oh, okay na. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Which, by the way, pwede nyo rin gawin ganito. Once you're done sanitizing this, but ako, nilagay ko dito. Okay, mas maganda talaga naman. Ayan pala. So, ano na. Okay, for storage purposes, I know, so now, I'm going to do the popsicles. So, yeah. What I usually do is, I just put it under my bra, and just click on the buttons, here, start. Ouch, and it's moving. Ayun na. Ipapump na siya, guys. Then, you can really look. Okay, I'm done. This is how it looks like. I pump both boobs. Boobsicles, by the way, fun fact, sorry. Pwede ka bumili ng dalawa each. And I think may package sila na dalawa na talaga. So that it can pump, diba? At the same time. Pero yung problema, baka masakit. I don't know. But for now, ma-afford ko lang isa. So right now, I have my daughter's dede. We are going to transfer it. Kasi bibigay ko na sa kanya. So all you need to do is, that's it. And then dito, lumalabas yung pump. Diba? Oh, in fairness, maraming yung na-produce ko ngayon. It's from both boobs. It's around 120. 120, parang 121. Oh, parang ganun. And, there you go. So, ibigay ko na to sa anak ko. And yeah. Or, malang ilalagay ko pala to sa ref kasi para mainom niya later. So, yun.